Dr. Are you back on next week? I think so. Yeah, oo, I hope so. Yeah, next Wednesday ulit. Ginalingan ko mo yan. Ginalingan niyo kasi masyado, kaya ginalingan ko din. Thank you, guys. Nakasampung kapital. You have a very steady hand while applying makeup. Oo, totoo. Practice lang. Ewan ko, bata pa lang ako. Kahit eyeliner, I find it really easy to apply eyeliner. Kahit mga yung winged eyeliner and the brows. Pati lipstick, I could do it in one swipe. It's a gift. Doon lang ako magaling, makeup lang. Naiiyak ka sa eyes. Paano? Hindi ka naman kasi nagme-makeup ata, Ate Wogi. Kaya may iyak ka talaga once sinry mo siya. Thank you. Make-upan kita soon. Gawin kitang drag queen. Kayo ni Ate Aileen. Thank you. Ayun mo, time na ba? Ayun, 5 minutes. Pasmado kamay ko. I like winged eyeliner, pero my God. Practice makes perfect. Mahirap talaga mag-winged eyeliner sa una. Kaya nyo yan. Practice lang practice. Pwede kayo mag-drawing ng lines sa ganito nyo. Ako ganun yung ginagawa ko. Nag-drawing ako ng brows. Dito. Or eyeliner. Pinapractice kong ganun. At saka relax lang. As in, huwag masyadong mahigpit yung grip sa pen or sa pencil. Relax lang para hindi nag-shake. Kasi pag may tension yung pag-grip mo, mas ganun ka, mas shaky. Oo, at saka huwag mag-kape bago mag-makeup. Actually, ganun din, naranasan ko na yun. Nag-eyeliner ako. Kaka-coffee ko lang. Tapos OA pa naman kasi ako mag-coffee, parang 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons na punong-puno. Tapos nanginginig ako, literal, as in, hirap na hirap ako, pati yung mata ko nagtitwitch na gano'n. Tapos sobrang dami kong ininom na coffee, nagtitwitch na gano'n yung mata ko. Oo, huwag kayong magko-coffee ng madami. Manginginig talaga kayo. Which is better yung pencil or liquid eyeliner. Kung ang ilalagay nyo ng eyeliner, yung dito sa baba, yung waterline nyo dito, mas okay pencil. Pero kung dito, yung sa top, ito, yung for example, winged eyeliner, mas okay liquid. Pwede rin naman yung pencil, pero kung gusto niyo yung sharp na look na ganito, yung parang sharp talaga na gano'n. Yung winged talagang look, liquid. Pero kung gusto niyo lang na parang medyo ma-darken lang yung lash line, or kung gusto niyo i-line yung waterline niyo na to, dapat pencil. Right, Leia? Oh, she agrees with me. Pag upper, liquid. Pag lower, pencil. Swoosh! Parang yung sound effect ng swoosh. Swoosh. Makeup 101. Parang second, pang ilan na palang challenge to na makeup, no? Sobrang na-enjoy ko yung mga makeup challenges dito sa Kaya Today. Super. Pero medyo challenging yun today kasi first time. Pero feeling ko na-achieve naman natin minus the wig and the lashes. Kasi wala akong lashes na pang drag queen. Kaya parang pag nilagay ko, wala lang din halos. What brand of eyeliner? Ano ba yun? Asan ba yung eyeliner na ginamit ko? I use this one. Ay, bawal pala magsabi ng brand. Oo, bawal. Bawal. Sorry, I'm not allowed to mention brands here pala. Thank you. Pakita ko na lang. Ito. This one. Hindi ko na mapakita yung brand, pero Hanapin nyo na lang. Ayan. This one. Oops. Yun lang. It's not the best eyeliner out there in the market, but it works for me. Yun lang. Hi, Lian Texon. Yay, thank you guys. Oh my God, 2 na pala. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for today. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for dragging with me. Thank you for bonding with me today. Hope you learned something. Hope I made you smile today because you guys did for sure. Thank you guys for joining me here. I had so much fun. I could cry. Thank you for all the gifts. I cannot thank you guys enough. Grabe. How did I get this lucky? So grateful for you guys. Thank you so much for joining me here on Kai today. Hope to see you on the next episode. Thank you guys so much. I love you so much. Next week ulit. Yes, and see you guys later. Hope to see you guys later. Sana samahan niyo ko ulit. Mamaya, 4 p.m. po yan dito ulit sa Kumu. Starhut account, I think. Ulit. Oo. See you guys there. Samahan niyo ako. I love you guys so much. Thank you, Ate Woogie. Thank you, Jael Morados. Thank you, Ate Eileen. To Jackie. Katia, Gypsy. MJ Redux. Babate Happy. Thank you, Aiden Chicken. Thank you. Tati, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Andrea. Now this is Indiana Centric. Auntie Queen Jereza, thank you so much. Thank you guys so much. Chicken, Ate Woogie. Bye-bye. I love you guys so much. Sa mga hindi ko na-mention, I'm sorry. Gutom na. Kain na din ako. Kain na din kayo, guys. I love you so much. I can't wait to see you guys soon. Take care. I love you. I love you. Katya, thank you.